Hi, welcome to a short little video on how to create your LinkedIn company page presented by easywebtech.com.au. First thing, we want to head over to www.linkedin.com/companies. Then we'll be asked to log in using our previously created LinkedIn username and password. From here, this is going to direct you to the company's homepage. And where you want to locate yourself or head to is where it says add a company. Now, it's very important to note that when you're adding a company, at this stage, as far as LinkedIn is concerned, you aren't able to delete a company page. So you want to make sure that you're doing this properly. And another thing that you want to know is that you will actually need to have a domain name registered or an email in a domain name. For example, if you wanted to use your name at Gmail or your name at Yahoo, LinkedIn won't accept that. So you will need to have something registered, sort of abc.com.au or abccompany.com.au. So I've already got a company set up, so I'm going to put in an example business page and step you through the process so that you can see. And then we're going to put in your email address and click continue. So now you've had an email sent through to your email address. You'll need to go to your email address now and click on that confirmation. And once you click on that confirmation, it'll ask you to sign back into LinkedIn, and you do so, and it will ask you a number of questions about your business. It'll look something like this, which is where you can enter in your basic information, your company information, email domains, description. Note that your description needs to be over 250 characters. So you want to put good information in here in regards to what your business is, what it does, and how it benefits those that you are serving. Any specialties that you've got, your website URL, your industry, your type. So generally for you guys it'll be privately held, but if it is a public company, you can put it in here. What kind of status? Of course, you're going to choose operating. If it's got a number of employees, year found is optional for you, and you can also click here to show it news about your company if you want to. So then you want to head down the bottom and save changes. You'll also, during your setup, get an opportunity to set up your company logo, which will look something like this. Do note that the size of the file is only 100 KB, which is much smaller than setting up your Facebook logo, and you need to keep that pretty small, and it needs to be in these kind of formats. If you have different styles, like you have a standard logo and a square logo, then you can also load that up here. All right, and so once you've completed your basic information, you are now set up and ready to go. All right, you're done now. You've got your company page set up. You can continue to add to that as you wish. You can direct people to it, and you can continue to build more and more information on this page for you. So I trust you've enjoyed that, got value out of it. Please drop your comments and questions in the area below, and we look forward to seeing you next time.